came in here for tints, and we wrapped it up in about an hour or so. So customer's happy. There it goes.
Today on 10 Questions with Moses. McDonald's or Burger King?
McDonald's.
Steph Curry or LeBron James?
Steph Curry.
Lamborghini or Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Tupac or Biggie?
Tupac.
Adidas or Nike?
Nike.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Would you ever skydive?
No.
Are you good at bowling?
No.
Ford or Chevy?
Chevy.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes.
The Rolls-Royce WRAITH, brand new car, came straight from the dealer here. Again, another one. Looks like one we just kind of sort of did, but this one's going to be a little bit more different. Satin black top, it's going to have extreme lowering, it's getting extreme tints, it's going to be super dark, the whole top's going to look dark.
We have a Range Rover over here. We're replacing the rotors, the new pads, front and rear. So we just did a full brake job on this Range Rover, front and rear pads and rotors as well. Also changed the wiper blade. So we're pretty much done test driving the car just to make sure everything is perfect as it should be, and it is. So test drive is pretty much done. We're gonna head back to the shop right now and call the customer and release the car. We have a Jeep Liberty here, front and rear brakes, pads and rotors all around, and a service. Car's finished, ready to give it back to the customer.
Actually gonna have our first set of RDB wheels, but in the black. You guys saw the silver and the chrome on the white WRAITH. This one's gonna be the black version. We didn't do the factory center cap option on these wheels simply because we wanted to go extreme concave. With the factory cap, it has to be a little more flat or else it doesn't fit. So with these, we got a very, very deep concave, which is crazy. We already did the lowering links, the car is already ready. Our guys know exactly what settings to do. That's super easy. No chrome whatsoever on this car. Emblem, Spirit of Ecstasy, none of it is chrome. So we got the front wheel on right now. This is a 24-inch, 3-piece RDB ECL wheel. Lots of spokes, fills up the wheel well so good, makes the wheel look really big. And the great thing about this is the concave profile it has is crazy. For the front, I've never seen a wheel this concave before on a standard body car. This is not a wide body car. We're gonna put the back on, which has an even more deeper concave profile. We have John over here putting the grille surround. He's maybe done over 40 of them already in the last 2 months, so knows what he's doing.
On YouTube, if you just don't describe everything like 100% correctly, it's the biggest problem in the world. Even though you're right, but they just make a big problem. It's just the biggest deal in the world. If you say one letter, not even a word, I think. If you're off by a letter or so, it's the end of the world.
It's the end of the world.
Like the mirror situation with the Infinity. It's insurance, so we're not allowed to fix that or touch it until it's approved. So that's what that car was about regarding the mirror. So we can't touch it unless it's approved and the customer gives us the okay to work on that car. Now shut the hell up. And whoever's calling me the queen of RDBLA.
Buy a bundle, fly it out. Bring a friend, I try it out.
Alright, so here we have a Mansory
Bentley Bentayga.
This car belongs to Lil Uzi Vert.
I don't really care if you cry.
We built this car about a year ago. Unfortunately, it had a little fender bender. We fixed it. It's all back to good now. This car is crazy with the all black, with the carbon fiber. It looks amazing. People go crazy over this car. You guys have seen it on our Instagram before. It's done. He's gonna pick it up today. It's got burgundy interior. It looks really good with the black and the carbon fiber. We haven't lowered the car, so it has a little bit of gap, but customer didn't want to lower it. So Mansory is one of the most prestigious names for body styling kits. Very expensive, but very, very high quality. You guys can see the whole hood and the front grille is carbon fiber. The bumpers were changed. This is also a wide body kit, so it has the flares on the side, rear bumper, the roof spoiler, the tailgate spoiler, a lot of carbon fiber. Probably the craziest kit for the Mansory. We've done a few of these already. This one is good to go. Customer's getting it today. On to the next one.
Where you guys from?
Tennessee. Just came to see the cars. Incredible. You guys do great work.
Nice.
Vic, Moses, Mono, keep it up.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Crunch time, baby. Oh, that's dangerous, baby. You gotta be careful. It's contagious. Lefty, too.
It's coming out fantastic. Nice.
I'm really excited.
That's a WRAITH. Luckily, our buddy Mo, he has good taste. Let us kind of do what we want. We have similar taste, so able to do the full blackout with the red brakes. Looks amazing with the red interior.
It's my favorite car ever. Ever.
How's it finished?
Fire. RDB shutting the WRAITH down.